The forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's see what today's charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top podder on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis for all of you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I'm going to speak about USDCHF because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete top-down analysis, both from a technical and order flow perspective. And I will be keeping this as educational as possible. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment we have a market which is about to test and actually already started testing a quite strong bearish trend line. In fact, starting from this high, the market has been respecting this dynamic resistance area multiple times. And at the moment, we are testing it once again, and we can expect the market to reject the zone to the downside. We go down on the weekly time frame, and what do we see? Now here in the weekly, we can see how the market, in creating this move to the upside, has just printed this overextended W formation. Now, in general, after the creation of an overextended W, you want to see the market create a move to the downside to go and retrace at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse to the upside. Now, in this case, the impulse to the upside is from this low to this high, which means that, at least at the moment, we expect the market to create a correction at least to this zone here. And by the way, at the moment, this 0.32 is lining up perfectly with this previous resistance turn support, creating a quite strong zone of liquidity that we can expect the market to want to go and test before then printing the continuation to the upside. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestion for new videos. Now, if we go down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here in the daily time frame, we can see how the market has just printed a very strong impulse to the upside. And at this point, what we can expect is for the market to provide a correction. However, here in the daily, we do have a different pattern and also a different Fibonacci that we have to place, because here on the daily, in creating a move to the upside, the market has printed this overextended W. So the impulse in this case is from this low to this high. So by taking our Fibonacci from this low to this high, we can see how the 0.32 in this case is lining up at this area. So this is our first downside target here for USDCHF that we expect the market to test, rejecting the monthly trend line, the weekly W formation, and also completing this daily W formation. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing, so what the smart money is doing, we can see how lately net positions have been dropping. With the last report, we can see 500 shorts getting added and 5.5k longs getting closed, which are making the CHF weaker. And that is exactly why we are seeing here this big move to the upside, because hedge funds are shorting the CHF, which means that they are longing USDCHF. So this move to the downside is not supposed to be a long-term move to the downside. It's just supposed to be a retracement before then a potential longing opportunity. So there is first a short-term shorting opportunity for a correction in order to grab liquidity, add more shorts, close some more longs, and then create the continuation to the upside. So how we will be approaching this potential short-term shorting opportunity leading into the new week with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the 4-hour and the other intraday time frames. So with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective and lower during this move to the upside. And we will be waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bullish market as we have right now to an intraday bearish market, and only if the market will shift from an intraday bullish to an intraday bearish market, only at that point we will be adding USDCHF to our watch list, and as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be looking for a potential short with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the downside and for the market to retrace at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this daily impulse. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis, education, and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. You first get all the rules of my rule-based strategies, then you get a new daily market breakdown every single day showing you how to apply these strategies in real-time market, and you also get all your questions answered every single day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.